Getting me tight. So let me show y'all my nails. Y'all see this nail? You should focus. Focus, camera, focus. It's getting me tight. Y'all see it now. Oh yeah, you see that split? I'm about to put some crazy glue on that. Called Quick Dip, guys. This is from Sally's beauty supply store. I walked in there to buy something totally different. Ran into this. I said, oh snap, let me do it, because I'm tired of paying $70. Get my nails done. Well, I paid like $50, but I believe this was like $50, but I can keep on reusing it and saving my coins. So this is me doing the dip powder by myself, y'all, by myself. I'm a righty, but I'm gonna be a lefty real quick because I'm trying to save these coins. Stay tuned and keep on watching. You add the primer to the nail. That's step 1 in the box. Now step 2. This is when you apply this liquid. So first you add the primer and then you apply number 2 so that you can dip it in the zipping powders. Alright? Zip! Diddy do da. Zippity zip. And then you tap, tap, tap. Then you apply another layer and do it all over again. Cappy. Cappy. Alright then. Now it's time for step 3. This liquid is the last liquid you use before you use the top coat. So place this liquid on top of the nail and you dip it one more time. And then after you dip it, that's when you place it one more again. So you place it twice. You place it once, you dip it, and then you place it again, and then you file your nail. And voila! Voila! And that was the jacked up nail that I showed y'all in the beginning. And look how cute it came out. My nails look cute, y'all. Yes, simple and easy. Steps 1, 2, and 3 and a top coat. And you all done, sis. Yes. Thanks for watching, y'all. Come back to my channel.